You can see there's some damage to the siding, but overall looks pretty good. We got some cracked windows. We'll need to replace those. I don't believe that the unit, the central heat and air, the HVAC system, is in good operational condition. I know that when they lived here, the previous tenants, they had some window units in here. So if you're just doing a drive-by and you're looking at a prospective property, if they got even though it might look like it has central heat and air, if they've got a lot of window units, very likely they're having a lot of maintenance problems, or it's not sufficient to heat or cool the property. So we'll address that right out of the gate. Also, you see we've got the storage building over here. We'll see if that's recoverable or not. It looks like overall the exterior looks okay, but when I look in, it looks like there's quite a bit of damage there. We'll want to check that out and to see if we're going to have to take that down or not, or whether we'll let that exist and just put a new door on it. Okay, again, you'll see that there is some siding stuff going on here. We're going to take a break. We'll come back online here shortly when we walk through the interior of the property. I have walked around the exterior of the property and everything looks pretty good, just a lot of junk. So you're always going to want to make sure that you're covering for demo and cleanup. Don't miss that one. A lot of times when people are looking at maintenance and repairs, they'll forget about the fact that you've got to have the property cleaned up. Another major thing is from the day that we closed on the property until we get the property ready for sale, lease, unless we're doing a short-term flip under a wholesale, you've got costs going on. You got taxes, you got insurance. In this case, there was a tenant in there, so they were paying a monthly rent, so we weren't going negative. We were actually going cash flow positive because of what it cost us on an interest-only bearing loan. I think it costs us about $450 roughly to get the interest on the loan. We did private financing on this one, and so anyways, as we continue to move forward, we'll give you some more updates on the property. Okay, as we get ready to enter the property, again, we just want to notice over here on your right, you can see that the flooring of the storage unit's breaking down. So we'll talk with our contractor. We need to remove this bush any way you cut it. Ironically, pardon the pun, we'll cut it. We'll cut the bush. But we'll need to probably remove this shed. It doesn't look like it has a lot of value, and it could cause us troubles as we go to sell the property when it comes to the loan criteria that would be required under a rural development type scenario. You notice it's got a nice back porch. It's got some soffit and fascia damage up here near the roof. You can see it needs to be pressure washed. If we continue to walk a little bit further towards the back door, you'll see that we're going to probably need to replace this door casing here with a French door system. Just depending, we'll talk with our contractor. It's got a nice little step down, and this will be a nice little exterior area. Most likely we'll get rid of that damaged porch area, but we'll look more at that later. But again, we've got a new roof. We probably can save this right here. Now, as we step in, listen, guys, this is a real humdinger. So this is going to be a complete, at least cosmetic remodel. I think structurally it's pretty sound.